I don't know about you, but I love the taste of s'mores. It's a great combination of flavors. The toasted marshmallow, the chocolate, and the graham cracker all work so well together. And you know I also love making ice cream in the Ninja Creami. You know exactly where I'm going with this. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a low-calorie s'mores flavored ice cream in the Ninja Creami. It's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds naturally through mindful eating and daily walking. And on this channel, I'm sharing some recipes that I enjoy that can help you to lose weight and keep it off. Now, this s'mores ice cream is only 270 calories for the entire container, and it is absolutely delicious. It totally captures the essence of s'mores. It's got the toasted marshmallow flavor. It's got the chocolate. It even has real graham crackers. It's the whole package, baby. So if you're ready to make it, let's get cooking. So start off with 1 cup of Fairlife fat-free milk. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. This will add a little fat in here, make it nice and creamy and rich. Then we're going to add a pinch of salt. I've got a spoon here labeled pinch. I think it's about 1/16 of a teaspoon. I finally got this because I got tired of guessing. So 1 pinch of salt. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Next, we'll add some Monkfruit and Erythritol sweetener. You can use another sweetener if you want. That's just what I like. 3 tablespoons of this. For the chocolate flavor in the s'mores, I've got 8 grams of sugar-free chocolate pudding mix. This is Jell-O pudding, but I mean, any sugar-free pudding mix should work just fine. Now for the marshmallow flavor, we've got 2 things. We've got 11 grams of Ryse jet puffed protein powder. This tastes like jet puffed marshmallows. This stuff makes everything taste like marshmallows. It's delicious. So 11 grams of that. And lastly, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar-free toasted marshmallow flavored syrup. There are multiple brands that have a toasted marshmallow flavor, and I think all of them are 0 calories. All right, there we go. That's everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the blades on, give this a little bit of a swirl and a shake. That looks nice and chocolatey. All right, this is ready to go on the blender. All right, I got my blender ready. I got my ice cream mixture. Let's go ahead and blend it up.
A few moments later.
Okay. And this is ready to go. So go ahead and pour it into a Ninja Creami pint. Put the lid on it and put it in the freezer for 24 hours.
The next day.
All right, here's our frozen s'mores ice cream. I'm very, very excited to try this, so let's go ahead and put it in the machine. I've had this sitting out for about 30 minutes. I've realized if it sits out for a while, yeah, you've got to wait, but you usually only need to do 1 or 2 spins, but on the first spin, it's usually pretty good. Okay, let's go ahead and put this thing in, turn the machine on, and hit Lite Ice Cream, and do the first spin. All right, I think we should be good. Let's take a look. Since it sat out for a while, I don't think it'll be powdery. Yeah, it's not powdery at all. Look at that. Now, it is around the edges. If you want, you could put it in, do 1 more respin. It'll be nice and velvety smooth. Now, you could eat it just like this, and it's absolutely delicious, I promise. This right here is fantastic ice cream. But if you want to kick it up and make it a little extra fancy and flavorful, I'm going to add a few mix-ins and spin it 1 more time. Here's what we're doing. To complete the s'mores experience, we are adding a graham cracker and some marshmallows. So I have taken 1 full graham cracker, broke it into quarters. I have crumbled 3 quarters, and I've saved 1 for a garnish. So what I'm going to do with these crumbled pieces is put them in here. Some I'm just going to stick to the edges. Others I'm going to drop right down in. There we go. And the marshmallows I'm adding are these from Marshmallow. These are only 15 calories for 2 of them. So I have taken 2, I have cut them up into small pieces, and same thing, I'm gonna drop a few in there. I'm gonna put a few around the edges, near the top. This way, as it blends, you get it all throughout. I'm gonna save a few to put on top, again, just for decoration. That looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and put this back in the Ninja Creami. And this time we're gonna hit mix in. Here we go. All right, it's finally time. The s'mores ice cream. is ready. Let's take a look and see what we got. Oh, now that's the velvety smooth texture I like to see. Let's go ahead and dress this up a little bit. So I'm gonna take this graham cracker piece and stick it in here as a bit of a garnish. And then I'm going to sprinkle a few of these marshmallows on top. And just because I'm kind of obsessed with fat-free Reddi Wip, I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons worth, that's only 5 calories, right here in the center. And that is ready. And here it is, this low-calorie s'mores flavored ice cream. Trust me when I say this is a delicious ice cream. All right, I'm ready. Here we go. That is insane. Oh my goodness, it is so good. That is everything you would want it to be. Oh my, that chocolate and marshmallow flavor is so prominent. This may be one of the most indulgent ones I've done yet. I cannot believe how good this is. Wow. I can't stop. I cannot stop myself. Mind-blowing. Just mind-blowing. Okay, before I finish this off, let's go over the macros. So, the ice cream on its own without adding the mix-ins is only 197 calories. For the whole container, 197 calories. For all that, with all that flavor. 12 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat, 21 grams of protein. I wouldn't call it a protein ice cream, but it's a little higher in protein than some of the others I make because I added that protein powder in there. Now, if you add the mix-ins like I did, you are looking at 282 calories, still not bad, still under 300 calories for all that, 282. Carbs, 30 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fat, 23 grams of protein. So you've got a little bit more protein. So it's really up to you and how many calories you want to consume, but man, either way, you cannot go wrong with this. It's amazing. Oh, sweet mystery of life, at last I found you. I can't put this down, so I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the Cog is Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. And if you have any ideas for ice creams or other recipes you might like to see me do in the future, leave them in the comments below. Let me know. Thank you all so much for watching and keep on eating. Woo boy.